Welcome guys to my channel. I'm super excited today. Can someone tell me why? Because I'm about to share, as in when I say contact with a supplier, this factory based on SHEIN, based on PATPAT, based on Amazon Kiddies, and this is the best period to import this and make huge, when I mean make millions during this year, Christmas, before December. So what are you waiting for? If you're this kind of person that are into children, kiddies, wears, and you have the money, you don't know where to buy from, you don't know where to get it, then this video is for you. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Here is Jenny CEO. Here in this channel we'll talk about how to make legit money online, importation, business growth. And you're welcome because I'm running my 30 days challenge. When I mean 30 days challenge, I mean 30 days of dropping suppliers contact legit that you cannot find anywhere except you pay high. But Jenny CEO will drop it here for free. So that is the challenge I'm doing now. So if you've not liked this video, hit the like button. If you've not subscribed, this is the right time to subscribe. And if you've not turned on notification bell, this is the right time because more contacts will be dropping daily. So you can't afford to miss this contact, because this contact I'm giving you, people pay huge to get it, or I'm giving you for free. So don't wait to hit the like button. It's for free. Do it, subscribe is for free. Now, as I'm talking, I'll be dropping the samples of this contact. This contact is, so I place it so high because the factory has been in existence for 12 years. No be beans. 12 good years in business is not share cambia, it's not beans. So, and the beautiful thing about this contact is people travel all over the world to their factory because of how quality their goods are and how affordable. You'll be seeing, I'll be showing you the live videos on my screen as I'm talking. So they travel all over the world to make sure they see this by themselves, and you will see them traveling and all that and buying this things. So I'll be dropping the contact here on this screen. Yes, so don't forget to watch till the end. This factory has been in existence for 12 good years, and not just that, their quality, I've not seen this kind of design in other suppliers. But these people, their designs, they bring hot deals. Their designs are hot trending kiddies. You can't afford to miss this contact. Yes, and the beautiful thing now about it is they have their WeChat account, just so you can chat them on WhatsApp. Add them anywhere, you're good to go. So now I'm going to be starting the introduction. Like me, for example, you are new to the business and you're like expecting, what is SHEIN, what is PATPAT, what is Amazon Kiddies? So when we talk about PATPAT and SHEIN and Amazon Kiddies, these things are, normally when you go on 1688, you want to buy kiddies wear, you can just buy one. But here in this factory, what they do, they sell it as a bale, not okreka. All brand new. They sell as a bill, but they are all brand new. They don't, that mean when they say they sell in a bill, that means they don't sell one. They don't sell one. They sell in large quantity. In large quantity, guys. And it's super affordable, and it's from China. So, but this factory again is, they have different types. They have PATPAT. There's some suppliers that they will tell you this supplier sell only PATPAT. There are some suppliers that will say this one sell only SHEIN. It's even difficult for you to see supplier right now that sell Amazon baby. But this factory I'm giving you now, this contact I'm dropping, sells both PATPAT, both SHEIN, both Amazon Kiddies. That's why I'm super excited, and I said no, I must drop it for my subscribers, because I've gotten a lot of encouraging message from this channel, people coming on my DM saying God bless you, because of you I've started a business. Me, I stay at home mom, I'm now getting money, my own money, and I'm grateful to God, and it's really encouraging me. So that's why I won't stop. I won't stop. I will keep bringing the good news and the contact for free. So if you're new to the system, that is how it is. And when you talk about PATPAT and Kiddies and PATPAT and SHEIN and Amazon babies, you cannot select. is coming in mix, different ages, different sizes, and different beautiful designs. So you can't select. That's why they sell it in bulk. You can't select, and that's why it is so affordable. So now, when I drop the contact, what do? If you have your WeChat account, you just add them up on WeChat. If you don't have your WeChat account, then add them up on WhatsApp. So when you add them up on WeChat account, say something nice so that they can approve your request. Tell them, I've heard so much about you from Gen CEO, or just say, I've heard so much about you and I would love to do business with you. So please add me up. Let's do business. Be straightforward. Tell them, all right? Tell them what you're doing. So once you tell them, they will just add you up. Once they add you up, you can start viewing their moments. Ask them their catalogs, ask them their design. Their moment they post different designs, just look at it on my screen now. Look at it on my screen. So beautiful. These designs are top notch. They are one in town. That as a boutique person or someone selling clothing, when you bring out a design like this, just say name your price. In short, when you drop, before you even drop it, it's sold out. So, and people will not give you this content for free, but Jenny will do it for you. There's no problem as long as you are a subscriber. Yes, that is what I'm doing for you. That is the gift. Yes. So now when you chat them up, you view their moment, the next thing you tell them how many pieces you want, because the minimum order you can buy from them is 100 pieces. Yes, the minimum order you can buy from is 100. But if you don't have up to if you cannot buy up to 100 pieces, don't worry, watch my video to the end. I will tell you how you can get even as low as one. Yes, I will tell you how you can get even as low as one. So calm down, no panic. Yeah. So once you you discuss with them and they give you your calculation, you convert. Now remember, they pay them in yuan currency. They don't receive naira. They don't receive any currency apart from yuan. You can also pay them in dollars, but I advise you to pay them in yuan because for me it's cheaper. So you pay in yuan. And if you don't know how to pay in yuan, I've also made a video on how to get an exchanger, how you can pay. So go ahead and watch that video and pay. Watch the video. The exchanger can help you do the pay. And if you also want me to help you do the pay, you can still chat me up. I will also help you to do it, but with a fee. Yes. So that is how that works. Then once they are done with that, they will show you your package, the video. The next thing you have to deliver to them is your shipping company. You give them your shipping company. I've also made a video on top 5 best shipping companies, so you can go ahead and watch that video. It will help you to make the right choice. And I would advise you to use sea shipping because, hey, you see clothing, they are very heavy. So you use sea shipping in 2 to 3 months. Yes, use the fastest company that will bring it to you in 2 months. And if you don't know this fastest company, you can also drop in the comment section. Jenny, can you give us a clue on this fastest shipping company? I will also be there to reply and respond to your DM. Now, that is all about that. When they package it, put your phone number and everything, your shipping address, they send it to your country. When they send it to your country, that is all. You receive it when the shipping company will give you a pickup message. Hello friend, your items are here. Even if you're in Ghana, anywhere you are, you can receive your items. Once you receive it, the next thing you will now do after receiving your item, the next thing is advertisement. Guys, when somebody is receiving items, to want to keep the items there and not selling. The reason why we are doing business is to sell out fast. So I've made so many videos on how you can sell out fast. Then I will tell you the gospel truth, how to sell out fast. You run your Facebook ads, you can run Instagram ads, you can even run this, you can even post it on Facebook Marketplace for free, on GG for free. If you don't know how to do this, I've also made several videos on that. You can go ahead and watch that video so that this video won't be too long. And I think that's all you sell out. Now I promised something. I said if you want to get one, I will say it at the end of the video how you can get one. So here is the deal. Now I want to start it, but before I do say that, if you like this video, have you subscribed? It's for free. You're not paying a dime to like. You're not paying a dime to subscribe. Okay, now let's go into it. So for example, now, yes, you love this, but you cannot get 100 pieces because it's too high. But I love this clothing. Then you are in the right place. Geneseo is running the biggest period bulk group where you buy, I bring factory price to you. Yes. People in my group can testify. I bring factory price to you. So now, you as an end user, you are so lucky because you can get that thing you're supposed to get 100 pieces. You can now get one. You can get two. Yes. So go to my description icon. You'll see my WhatsApp link. Click on it. Join my group, and you'll thank me later because we are running a badge. Thank you. See you in my next video. Don't forget to turn on notification bell so that you keep seeing the more amazing contacts coming your way. See ya. Thank you.